So maybe the best way to answer that is to think about a patient journey or person journey as they have a vaccine. So somebody will get a letter saying that it's their turn to have a vaccine. So they'll go to the primary care network or a vaccination center where they will then have various different details taken from them in terms of whether they're eligible for the vaccine, whether they've got any allergies, etc. And if they are, then they'll be given a jab. And all that will be recorded. So that data that's recorded needs to make it into the different databases so that people know who's had the vaccine, how many people have had the vaccine, etc. Now, then the person will go home and come back, several weeks later, at the moment, about 12 weeks later, to have the second jab. Again, that will be recorded, and that needs to be linked up to the first jab. But in between, they may have had a bit of a sore arm, or they may have, sort of felt unwell, and they may have rung up the GP or something. So, then that needs to be recorded. But if then there's something else happens, to that person or to any other person, clearly some people may have also had coronavirus in the past. So, they'll have had test results. So we need to, be able to link to that data as well. They may have some other underlying diseases, for example, diabetes, or they may be on immunosuppressants. Again, we need to be able to link to that. So there's lots of different bits of the jigsaw which needs to be linked together so that we can understand how the vaccines are working. Are they as effective as they can be? Are they not working in certain people? And what we can do to mitigate those issues with those particular individuals. And the key thing that we're doing as part of HDR UK, working with Office for National Statistics, but also coordinating with the Government Office for Science, is to start thinking about the data linkages that we need. What are the data resources you need to be able to undertake this research? And there are fantastic data resources in this country, but perhaps what we need are better data linkages so that we can understand all the different aspects, all the different questions we want to answer with regard to vaccines in a timely manner. First of all, let me thank the public and practitioners and patients for taking part in that survey. It was very insightful, the comments and the suggestions for research. Nothing surprised me, actually, and that's good, because it means that people have been taking notice of everything that's been appearing in the media. There is so much scrutiny, there's so much media attention on this, that people have been listening about the particular different aspects of the vaccine. Well, first of all, I'm most excited about the vaccines, actually. It's a fantastic achievement, to have created a vaccine within a year. So you must congratulate the scientists and the companies that have done that. As soon as the vaccine rolls out and so on, it is important that we really collaborate with researchers in developing countries so that we make sure that we are not exacerbating health inequalities by just giving vaccines to people in rich countries, but also making sure that they learn from our sort of challenges, they learn from our experience, so that the vaccine rollout in all countries can be as efficient as possible, so we protect the whole population of the world.